Figure it out, dude.
Do you know when you don't start the show on time, like you lose all of the people from the redirect? You're 2 minutes late. Hello?
You got that dog in you, you got it in
I can't hear you.
Wait, can you actually not hear me? Is there actually audio issues?
Bro, if you have me muted because you're playing the intro, I don't give a fuck about the intro.
I heard you.
What I care is that you get a redirect and then the fans have to just sit there for like 2 minutes.
They hear you.
Yeah, the YouTube isn't loading, but we're like live right now and we're trying to play the intro. Well, that's nice. The Fupa. Okay. No. Okay. Oh.
Go. This is good.
What? Okay.
Bitch, you love it when